In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with the Dhgate affiliate program. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to affiliate.dhgate.com. This is the official affiliate portal where you can sign up, explore products, and manage your referral activity all in one place. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until the main options are fully visible so you can follow along without missing anything. Once you're on the site, click the Join Free button. This will take you to the registration page, where you'll need to complete the user sign-up form. As you fill it out, make sure your details are accurate and consistent, especially anything related to your account setup. Using correct information from the start helps avoid problems later when accessing your dashboard or receiving commission-related updates. Take your time here and review everything before submitting the form. After your account has been created and you're signed in, the next step is to browse the affiliate catalog. This is where you'll find products that are available to promote. Spend a few minutes looking through the categories and choosing items that fit your audience or content style. If you already run a blog, social page, or niche account, it's a good idea to focus on products that match what your followers are most likely to be interested in. When you find a product you want to promote, copy its unique referral link. This is the tracking link connected to your affiliate account, and it's what allows the platform to recognize that a visitor came through you. Be careful to copy the correct link provided inside the affiliate system rather than just copying the regular product page URL, since that tracking information is essential for earning commissions. Next, share those tracking links on your social media platforms or on your blog. You can place them in product recommendations, review posts, shopping guides, or other content where they make sense naturally. Try to present the link in a way that feels helpful and relevant rather than forced. Clear context often leads to better engagement and more clicks. Finally, when users click your links and make a purchase, you'll be able to collect tracking commissions inside your dashboard. This dashboard is where you can monitor performance, review your activity, and keep track of the results from your promotion.